Let me give you one more example of how you can at times create a very solid impact, a very big impact, by staking everything on one single card. Now, this is a demo that I saw many, many years ago as a small boy, and it's still done by the Air Force. So the Indian Air Force does a firepower demonstration. And this demonstration is for about 20-25 minutes. Usually the chief guest is the Prime Minister. The time that I saw it, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister. And again, you have to visualize this. There's the whole ambience. There are thousands of people waiting. And those of you who've seen the Republic Day parade, you understand what I mean. They're all waiting from all walks of life. They want to see their Air Force give this, demonstration of their firepower. And then the MC goes on the mic and he says that the firepower demo is going to start in the next 5 seconds. I'll request everyone to be quiet and keep your eyes to your right-hand side, because from the right-hand side, the first sortie that will fly so low and so fast that if you blink your eyes, you will miss. And so everyone is anticipating. There's sudden silence in the crowd, and they're all waiting. And suddenly, you can hear the ground trembling as the roar of 2 fighter aircrafts comes one after the other and zips by, just goes over your head. And it's true that if you just blink, you'll miss the flight, because they're flying at 50 meters height, and they're flying at subsonic speeds. So it's just like 2 huge shadows just passing over. And then the demo begins, and there's this explosions happening, fighter aircrafts coming, taking out targets, attack helicopters coming, a lot of explosions, dust rising, and all of that. And suddenly, when this dust settles, you notice that there is a helicopter that's always been hovering behind this dust cloud. And as the dust clouds settle, this helicopter starts hovering towards the Prime Minister's dais and comes slowly, foot by foot, slowly approaching the Prime Minister. And then from that helicopter, a paracommando slithers down. And he's carrying a brown packet in his back as he slithers down. And then he comes running to the Prime Minister, salutes her, and goes down in one knee and pulls back this packet and hands it over to her. And she's looking at it puzzled. He asks her to open it. And when she opens the packet, it is a picture, 6 by 6 picture of her face looking at the first aircraft which passed by. A photo taken with every detail of her face by a subsonic aircraft that went. In 20 minutes, developed the picture, brought it back, transported it, and delivered to the Prime Minister to tell her what her Air Force can do. They don't need to make a PowerPoint presentation about statistics. They are the PowerPoint.